I'm Deniz Öncü. I'm 18 years old. I'm half Norwegian, half Turkish. I'm a little bit crazy. I started to ride a motorbike with motocross, and since 2015 I'm racing with road bikes. When I started to ride a bike, honestly there was one kid 2-3 years bigger than us, and he was quite fast because we was just starting to ride a bike. And my hero, let's say, was him, because I just wanted to be fast as him, but after some months I just passed him, so there was no hero for me. Deniz is a quite aggressive and crazy driver. As we see the seasons, I can make a lot of crazy things in the circuit, which is like overtakes or crazy movements. And as a person, I'm quite funny guy. I like to do a lot of different activities. Riding a bicycle, jumping from somewhere, swimming, and always in a competition, racing, everything.